Ryan, reveal. I can't hear any of you. I can't hear Afia. You're
Hi
on mute, girl.
guys. Hindi kita marinig. Ay, hindi pwede magsalita si Freya.
Hindi, naghahanap ako. Paano
Hindi,
i-off
she's
yung
literally
camera?
on mute kasi she can't speak.
Yan, I can hear her now.
Ah, okay.
Namumula ako.
I'm getting rashes all over my chest.
Paano mag-off ng camera dito?
Lag ba ako? Lag ba ako, guys?
Live kay Alfea.
Yeah. But like we're a bit
Lag
delayed
ba
with
ako?
each other. AJ, you're the most lag.
Oo.
Pero hindi kayo lag sa akin.
Lag.
Ay, hindi ka lag sa akin.
Nasa labas
Hindi
kasi.
na.
Hindi kayo lag sa akin.
Medyo maingay yung paligid mo.
Mag-remove background noise.
Mas, paano yun?
Ayan, nag-try ako.
Paano yun?
Sa settings,
Guys,
yung
blurred ako.
gilid.
Blurred daw ako. Uy, hindi ako hapon ah.
Hi guys, so ito, tutorial muna kami kung paano mag-live ang mga lola.
Kamusta?
Wait lang, paano?
All that, what happened to you?
At least hindi siya namamaga.
Paano mag,
Hindi pa kang lola.
Si AJ parang lola.
Oo. And then her camera's like,
Yo.
AJ,
Can you hear me?
Sabi nila, AJ, blink twice if you need help.
Hoy? Di, dinig niyo ba ako?
yeah. So for today's video, wala. We're gonna be, it's actually our 4th year anniversary, like our actual our new updated anniversary.
Yes, our anniversary.
We actually consider this as a new anniversary kasi ito
Ang
yung...
ingay mo, AJ!
AJ!
Maingay. Hanap ako ng, wait lang.
Sinasabi natin.
Sorry. Hanap ako ng lugar.
Ito magla-live din ako kay Alfea. Kasi
Ayun. Yung mga OG bullets, like what Alfie was saying, they know that, before our anniversary was last month, but we have updated our anniversary walk because we have started this era with Palaban, who's continuing as the 3 Palaban game.
Okay.
Happy anniversary, guys!
Happy anniversary! And
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Jake.
wait lang, magiging dalawa si Alfea.
Blurred talaga daw ako.
Okay naman ka sa akin.
Okay naman ka sa akin.
Okay din naman. Okay din naman kayo.
Okay naman.
Wait lang. Hanap. Dito.
AJ, mag-jeep mo.
Invite ko si Alfea. Kawawa naman si Alfea. Wala pa siya dito.
At dahil naghanap si AJ ng signal at spot lugar.
Hala, paano ba to? Hi!
You guys don't know,
Thank you kasi ako
Ayan.
kay C22.
we just announced our concert.
Malinaw naman daw ako.
Our concert and our concert poster with the ticket prices. We added.
Ba't ayaw niya mag-add kay Alfea? Sige, wag na. Bye-bye, guys. Inan ko yung kay Alfea.
Ano daw?
She's gonna add her.
Blurred pa rin daw ako eh.
Hindi ka blurred.
Alfea, asan ka? Yun nga, hindi ko nga ma-add.
AJ, hindi ka blurred.
Huwag mong isipin na blurred ka, AJ. Hindi ka blurred.
Blurred Lines by Robin Thicke.
Ah.
AJ,
Ayun, hindi na maingay yung BG ko. Naka-earphones nga ako eh.
pero delayed
Nakikita
ka
mo ba,
lang.
AJ, yung 3 dot sa baba? AJ.
3 dot sa baba. Wala akong 3 dot.
Katabi nung share edit.
Wala akong 3 dot.
Ang crazy naman ni Jazz.
So crazy. I'm so
Tatlong
crazy.
dot.
Oh my gosh, wait. Naluloko na ako.
I'm so quirky, guys.
Paano ba to? Sorry guys. Bigyan niyo na kami.
PJ yan, guys. Kami na outfit, okay lang kami.
Actually. AJ kasi, charing.
Today's a tough day.
Now I'm AJ. Hi guys, I'm G22 AJ.
So, Jazz, entertain muna the fans while we're nagpapakalola dito. Wait.
Point of view when you see a baby.
Hi again.
Guys, what am I doing? Sorry. Nagkape ako ng dalawa. Ito, 2025 life review. Achieved life goals. Best 2025 life moment. We sang together. Biggest change in 2025 appearance, inner world. I don't know, inner world. Maybe, I don't know, the hair. Well, ano hindi, 2026 na ba? Ay, nawala na ba? Your role in 2026 content era. Sure, Mima. Hello? AJ, mahina yung signal mo, tapos mag-filters ka pa. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. We're having
Hindi, matik yan. Normal ko yan.
nag-message si Althea na nawala siya. And nawala din si EJ naman. Alright! So, we will get back to the program shortly. Kaya,
I'm still here.
Girl, you're so
I'm
loud.
still here. I'm still here.
I'm so... Oh! So, G22 official, aka G22 Althea.
Hanap na ako ng signal.
Iyak na ako, guys. Pasensya na. We are professionals in the professional industry field of
Walang signal eh. Tour.
alright. So, Acer, I hope soon that you'll have internet. Okay, guys. Alright, please stay with us. My members will be with you shortly. Isa naglalakad, isa nawala. Pero, huwag kayong mag-alala.
Ako, ayan, may signal na ako. I have
Ayan.
signal na.
Yes. Stay there, AJ. Don't move. Don't move.
Yes. I'll stay here. I'm not gonna move. People are gonna be
Don't
watching me,
leave, don't
so
shout. Live laughing.
hi guys, kamusta kayo? I hope you guys are doing great.
Ali, Leos, P3,
We will
Wolf.
sell. What?
AJ is the woman who can't be moved. Yes, AJ, that's right. Don't move.
I'm not moving.
I'm not moving. Yan.
Ayan. She's here.
From Kilikili.
Ayan.
Yan.
Nil-start nila nang hindi nagsasabi. So I was like, what's happening?
We are here. We are together. Ready and shoot.
Hi guys, so meron kaming bagong... Guys, we will celebrate our anniversary na
Yes.
on... When?
Thank you, Mother. Thank you, Justin. Thank you, Gab. Thank you.
When?
Wag mo kaming kainin, AJ.
Imagine doing that here, like outside.
Guys, feeling ko, let's talk
Let's get
about-
physical. Let's get physical.
I think kailangan mo nung ayusin yung official yung...
Since it's our 4th year, since our anniversary, let's talk about some of memories we have.
Yo.
Some funny stories.
A lot.
So for some reason, nung trainee days kami, I mean, we know why. He's an amazing artist. But we did a lot of Inigo Pascual songs.
Yes.
Also did Lost. Did you know we did Lost? We did ano, and
Though yung not my problem, not my problem.
girl, that's Doja Cat. Hi! Thank you.
AJ, pansinin mo ako, please. Hello, Chelloves.
Come to Brazil. Brazil. I want to go to Brazil. Is that a Brazilian song? I don't think
I don't know. Sorry po. Sorry.
Si AJ, nasa gala era.
so.
Yes.
Today.
Today has been so stressful for me.
Kinain na naman po tayo ni AJ.
Today, I don't know what to feel
What?
about
You?
today.
AJ.
I'm just scared of the internet today.
Yeah, we're Team AJ's side. So if you got a problem, you can add.
Wait lang, bago ang lahat, bakit ba ngayon yung bago nating anniversary?
Ngayon ba?
Yes, I was
Oo, ngayon.
Kasi nga, na-release si...
Ito na po yung bagong anniversary namin kasi ito yung official na buo talaga kami. Kami na to.
Yes, talaga naman.
Yes.
At hindi lang anniversary ang pinag-uusapan natin today dahil nag-announce kami ng solo concert!
Yes!
Concert ang na-announce, pati ang ticket prices!
Yes! Ang
Na may
tears!
butay na 20
Yes!
pesos. Thank you guys.
Also, ticket selling
Selling.
soon.
Yes, ipon-ipon na guys. Bibigyan namin kayo ng time para makapag-ipon syempre.
Just enough time.
Nakakangal.
time. So,
Lalo na after ng payday nyo.
yes, we will wait for that. And once the ticket website comes out, you better get your tickets now before they get bought by us.
Yes. Nag-ano ba sila dito? Nagbaban ba sila dito na nagpapatugtog?
Hindi.
Papatugtog ako songs natin.
Also guys, ang masasabi ko din, mahal namin kayo. Alam namin yan. Ramdam namin yan. So don't doubt yourself for loving us dahil alam namin yan.
At dahil dyan,
Love you too.
Ikaw lang mahal.
Ate! Naka-earphones ako.
sorry, Ben.
Umipas pa ang tingin.
Mama ng ante, be.
Eto,
Thank you, ma'am.
Ngan mo konti. Thank you
Eto.
for the flowers.
eto.
Pwede na yan, pwede na yan.
Wala nang tunog. Ano
Eto.
ba siniya?
So guys,
Pastor ang music.
ganito ako, nakatayo lang ako dito, doon ako mangangalay.
So, pag may nakatayo kayo dyan, kung nasa labas kayo, may nakita kayo nakatayo lang sa labas, si AJ yun.
Ako yun.
Wow!
Wow! Thank you for the...
Thank you for the flowers.
Thank you for the flower. Thank you for the cat. Thank you for the cat. Meow, meow.
So dito lang talaga ako. Oh my God, mukha akong timang. Wait lang.
Hala, oh my gosh, thank you for the dog. Purr.
Yes, guys, see you there, babes. We're like screaming on top of each other because there's so much things going on. I'm so sorry, guys. But please, July 12th is our concert at New Frontier. Na-announce yung venue?
So dito lang ako.
Na-announce na yung venue, be?
Na-announce na yung venue Frontier. Charing.
New Frontier.
Ay, akala ko ako nag-announce. Alright!
At na-announce na rin ang special guest natin, si Shrek.
Correct. May i-announce pa ba, Jazz? Kasi ako yung place, New Frontier.
Ako yung guest, si Shrek.
Hey,
Ikaw, Jazz.
ano, may special effect. Yung microphone ni AJ.
Uy!
Yun yung, alam mo na, napapasok kami sa
Hi,
stage.
Ash! Jazz, sabi ni Janela, I love you daw.
I love you, Janela.
Ba't daw nagiging rhino si AJ, sabi ni Luis? Sabi ni All
AJ.
Royal Young, isang hi naman, Jazz, please.
Nakakangalay pala to, guys.
Thank you, I'm Takwawa. I love the question.
Alright, so if you have any, dahil dahil anniversary, you can go
Thank you.
if you have any questions. Sorry.
Ay, di ba mag-ano tayo? Di ba magbi-beach tayo soon? Di ba?
Tapos alam ko, maraming free ng time na yan.
If you have any comments for our anniversary or a
Thank you
concert,
for the flower.
Mahal namin kayo, guys. Mahal ko kayo. Promise,
Jepitot.
promise.
anong
Ay,
pinapang?
si Jeppy Tot. Yan si Jeppy Tot. Ay, si Jeppy Tot. Ay, Jeppy.
Anong
Ng
pinapang?
gift. Si Jeppy Tot yung prank in the sky.
Pranking myself.
Pranking myself.
Guys, nangangalay na ako.
Pinili mo yan.
Ano inclusion ng ticket? To be announced soon. Kasama yan ng ticket selling.
Malapit na rin ma-announce yan. Kaya abang-abang na lang tayo.
Sorry, the girls and I have been conceptualizing this with the team for a long time, so we're gonna make it worth your
Oh my
while.
gosh, magpapakita ng mukha si G22 official. Charot. Akala ko magpapakita.
Hey,
Makikita na si
Surreal! Guys, am I here? Like, this is G22?
Yeah.
Wow, Galaxy! Wow!
Uy, thank you for the galaxy.
Parang grand sponsor si Mommy Pin.
Sana nagustuhan mo yung Dubai Chewy. Yes! Sarap ng Dubai Chewy chocolate. Thank you so much.
We want merch.
Meron, guys.
Lechi.
Announce lang soon.
Wow, thank you for the disco.
Hi, Janela.
Grabe yung disco, thank you.
Pwede ba umupo dito? Mukha akong timang kasi pag umupo ako dito.
Okay lang, basta di ka papaalisin. Huwag mo lang naman kung, di ba lang?
Nasa stage. Alam nyo, na-realize ko, sinulat ko yung lakong pake, pero I realize I care too much. Wow.
Para sa sarili mo, para i-convince sa sarili mo na wala ka.
The Nile is a river in Egypt.
Egypt. Ay, akala ko of Egypt.
Your husband.
Sleeping with my child. Mali. Ano ba to?
Guys, saan pwede makakuha ng official photo cards nila? We will release...
Ah, sa sariling mundo.
we will... Wait.
Baka mag-spoiler ka, AJ, ah.
AG, ah.
Tapos, basta ano guys, yung tickets namin, sobrang gusto namin. Hindi sayang. I mean, sobrang sulit.
Hindi kayo magsisisi na pumunta kayo sa concert.
Gusto namin sulit.
Promise. Light
Kaya
stick.
please pumunta na kayo sa
Ooh.
concert namin, guys.
May guest kayo. Kayo yung guest na.
Kayo yung guest namin kasi gusto namin makikisabay kayo sa mga kanta namin. Uy, thank
Ay,
you.
taray, may pa, ano.
Taray ng Tita Pin. Ah, nakikita rin yung mga...
Guys, pag nag-sold...
Saan yung place?
So,
The place is New Frontier Theater. It's near Araneta
Yung mga
Studio.
nagsasend ng gift.
New Frontier Theater.
Nandun daw ba si Alpea sa
July
concert?
12.
Sana nga.
Lechi.
Depende.
Grace us with your presence,
Hindi ko
Althea.
rin sure. Baka busy ako.
Baka busy siya eh.
Iwan na lang kami ni
Baka
AJ
busy siya.
when we were young. Adele. 22.
Wala, si G22 official.
何してるのチトレトオフィシャル何してるの
What does that mean, AJ?
What are you doing, G22 official?
Happy anniversary, guys!
Happy!
Guys, pinag-iisipan pa namin yung happy anniversary, happy 1 year.
Idea. Wow!
Pinag,
Actually,
I just thought of an idea.
actually,
pinag-iisipan namin yung, go.
sasabihin ko lang sana yung kinoconsider natin, again, yung sarili natin, na 1 year, yung debut song natin is yung Palaban na because yun talaga yung nag-mark ng kung sino tayo and also, ba't nga ba ulit?
Sa Palaban tayo!
Woo! Thank you for the
We fought for ourselves, we fought for this group to work, we fought for our dreams, yun. It's 1 year of fighting.
Work.
And talaga
So-
kaming tatlo.
Oh! There's a whale.
Yo, there's a whale. Nahanap ko kung sino nagbigay. Oh my gosh, di ko na makita ulit. Send ka isa pa para makita ko. Sorry.
A whale.
And happy Women's Month as well.
Why are you shouting?
AJ, don't shout at
Am I
us.
sh- Ay, sorry kasi nakadikit yung...
Sabi ni AJ kanina. And happy Women's Month as well.
Oh my gosh. It's like a...
Pero di na makawala. Send talaga ng send. Ah!
Sagot na isang buwan.
Yes,
sagot na isang buwan ni, ni Jasmine.
Isang ticket na yan.
Pang ticket na
Tita,
yan.
huwag kang gumastos, tita, pang ticket yan.
Yes.
Ay, lakas ng boses ko.
Okay, girls, what's your favorite dance step from Palaban?
This part.
Ako, the beginning, this one.
Yes.
Bigyan
One
niyo
of
ako ng
yung scene
tips.
sa Palaban performance video.
Anong favorite lyric nyo?
Yung
Comment down below.
fave scene ko is yung umuulan.
Alam mo, puro tanong. Guys, hindi pwede yung light stick barrel kasi guys, consider din natin baka hindi kayo papasukin sa mga malls, hindi nyo pwede madala yan kahit saan kasi mukha siyang barrel.
May pool sa concert.
Confiscate yan, sayang pera niyo.
Kami, sa concert.
Yes, we always consider these things. So, yes.
May tanong.
7% na lang ako, di ako nakapag-charge.
Si Alfea ba magba-badminton dun sa concert?
Yes. Yun yun.
Yun yung solo niya.
Yun yung special ko.
Tapos si AJ mag-rock climbing sa cortina.
Wow! Thank you!
Oh, whale.
Grabe.
Isa nagsend ng gift.
Tita, grabe yung gastos mo.
Para sa Honda yun, ma.
Sino ba yung nagsasend ng whale? Whale?
Si Tita Pin.
Hindi, may iba pa. Kaso nga lang kasi yun, hindi niya puro emoji.
Oh, guys. I'm snatched na. Wow.
Kasi AJ daw mag-golf sa solo concert niya.
Aray. Sige.
Pagbawas
Mas masakit yun, guys.
Pussy!
Ano, ang cute. Clean.
Anong pussy?
Pussy clean, pussy.
Pussy's fresh.
Yo. The cat.
Pero presko nga, I love Cavite.
I love you.
I love you too.
Really?
You too.
I love you, Tree.
Sino yung pangatlo?
TG22 official, I love you. I love you before and I love you more.
Naka-live post lang siya, guys.
Oh, whale.
Oh,
I love
wow.
you, whale.
Whale. Ayan, siya yung nagsisend ng whale. Yung emoji. OMG, thank you.
Magkikilay si Jazz sa solo ko.
With Maybelline, ano?
Hey guys, it's my solo prod. I'm gonna teach you how to do your eyebrows.
No, sister. Oh!
Diba yun, ah?
O yung kanta ni Maybelline natin.
Imagine. Wow. Hindi, may bago eh.
Grabe guys, huwag niyo nang hahayaang paabutin yung sarili niyo na kailangan niyo magpa-root canal. Ang sakit. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, ang sakit. Hindi siya kakatuwa.
Get ready with me to go to the G22 concert.
Wow!
Ayos sa sarili. Para sa content.
Naawa naman ako.
Ay.
Muntik na ako mag-link ng live. Bakit? Tapos si Alpha yung maglalagay ng contact lens. May
Yung ideas nyo, guys.
Grabe kayo guys.
In fairness,
Tagalog tongue twister ang solo ni Jazz.
get ready without me. Hi guys, get ready without me.
Oh, ready na siya. So ano ba yung mga questions? Ay, hindi. Drop na lang kayo ng mga gusto nyong makita sa solo concert namin. Pero syempre, di namin sasabihin kung makikita nila. Mag-drop lang kayo.
Drop it like it's hot.
Wow, thank you so much. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko talaga... Ninja Sparkle Rose.
Solo prod ni AJ magugupit ng
Print
bar.
ng bangs. Grabe.
AJ, like ka ba? Or
Yung merch, guys. Kailangan mag-spoil.
you are my universe.
Ayan na siya. Nagbigay din siya ng universe. Ayan, si Creed pala yun.
AJ, are you good, bro?
Seated ba mga Mima or standing po? Basta mga Mima. Dance that daw sa Groove On.
Not only is it our anniversary for Palaban and our bagong anniversary, this month is both of the anniversaries of our Cloud9s, Angels, and Jazzlings. So happy anniversary sa aming mga loves. Love, joy, hope. Love, joy, hope.
Happy birthday, Kyrie! Aabot ba kayo sa balcony? Naka-motor helmet si Alfea sa solo vlogs. Tama na, guys.
4% na lang ako.
Ate ko.
Exchange lines. Ginawa natin yun. Pero, I was doing this.
Oo. Nasa vlog namin yan, guys. Tapos ako ilang minutes lang yung ano ko, nagkabulol-bulol ako dun sa fast party. Sana po lahat
Mag-hike papunta
dito sa live
balcony.
ngayon ay makabili ng SBIP ticket.
Wow, thank you so much for the follow.
Lalaban pa ba yung battery ni AJ? Haha. Lalaban pa daw ba siya? Ayun.
Namatay siya? Hindi.
Hello?
Hello.
Thank you, Ninja, for the whale.
Aw, thank you. Thanks, guys. Naghahang ata si AJ, ha? Laban lang daw AJ, sabi ni Deanor.
Feeling ko kasi 4% na lang ako.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Takas na naman, guys. Saka lang.
Hindi ako pwede makicharge na sa labas ako.
So, 7.
Saan ako makikicharge? Sa, sa
6, 7.
bench?
7.
Parang may ice cream shop.
Malapit ka ba sa ice cream,
Kasi
babe?
palagi may power bank usually. Sa kanya ako
Yeah.
hihiram. Minsan kay Althea, basta ako palagi wala.
Oo.
If I have a charger, then God bless! Wow! Bless the
Congrats.
Philippines. That's like once a year. Charot.
Sana lahat po na nanonood dito ngayon makapanood po ng concert namin. Nagaganapin sa July 12. And yan. Sprinklean ko kayo ng SBIP dust.
May oras ngayon para magka-ipon kayo before we announce the ticket website, ticket selling.
Yeah.
We've announced the prices already para you can start to think about where you want to sit, also the seating plan. At the stage, we're gonna keep it a secret for now. May paandar yung stage.
Oo. Gumagalaw yung stage. Mali.
3%. Low.
Ate ko, huwag kang mawala sa amin.
Manghiram ng power bank.
Thank you, Bakbak.
Dare kay AJ, manghiram ng power bank sa kung sinong dumadaan dyan ngayon. Sabi nila sa comments.
Naka-low power mode ka?
Oo.
Lahat ng challenge na nila, ganun no, manghiram ng power bank.
Hiram tayo. Hanap ako. Ayan, ayan. May power bank ka?
Ano yun?
Kapatid. May charger ka?
Akala ko stranger.
Sige, stranger. Hiram tayo sa,
Uy, joke lang.
hiram tayo sa katabing table.
I would actually do that.
I don't know.
May emergency lang.
Gusto niyo po sumama sa live ko?
AJ, mag-move it ka. Dito,
Power bank
kay
kayo?
Althea.
Power bank kayo.
Oo, mabilis yan. No?
3% na lang ako.
Gadget area. Parang mo.
Kasi yung car ko nasa valley.
Hindi lang. Makita ko yun.
Kita mo? Sumukunin mo. Kunin mo nga. Hindi, yung sa, kunin mo yung... Ay, wait lang.
Ingit mo na siya. Tumahimik! Oh my gosh!
Kumusta ka, G12 eh? Wow, long time no see.
Wow, long time no see. Ayun, kakatapos ko lang naman po sa ngipit.
Yeah.
Yo, kakatapos lang natin.
We're working on something right now, guys. So we're gonna see if Althea is gonna be able to join us tomorrow. But nonetheless, Althea, will.
Sali na ako agad after nung bukas.
Yeah, at least may video.
Oo.
At least the most important thing is siguro you're not jumping. You should have to mark.
Oo. Pero kaya ko na yun after ng tomorrow. Kayanin. Gusto ko
May gustong mag-hi.
Uy, thank you for the corgi. Thank you, Maritin. Thank you, Love. Sab ba yun?
Joaquin, come here.
Say hi to them.
Our godson. Come
Your
here.
grandson.
Come here,
Joaquin,
baby
come
boy.
here.
What's up?
Where is he?
Wala sa mood eh.
Come here.
Say hi.
Isa, mabilis ka. Say hi to your ninang to.
Ninang.
I get you, bro. Ninang. Hi. Ninang.
Ayaw ka na nagka.
Iyak siya.
Yes, I get you. I understand.
Iyak si baby.
Iyak siya eh. Yung isa dyan, ninang na din. Ay, ninang tita na rin.
Titang ina. Tapos yung dalawa dyan, magiging ninang ulit.
So many children.
Yes.
2%. Laban, 2%.
Dalawa ko yun mong ninang. Kasi very generous sila. Charot.
Sila ako maging ninang.
Tom, charing.
Oo nga, para may extra.
Thank you, Fun. Thank you, Kimmy. You're awesome.
Thank you, guys. So, ano mangyayari pag namatay yung battery ni hindi pa rin okay, ah?
Naka-charge ka na ba, AJ?
Hindi. Kinukuha pala yung sasakyan kasi nandun yung charger.
Ayan. Hindi ko maabot.
Mag-iintay muna tayo pagka at least may charger na si Bakla.
Hey, Winnie.
Thank you, Angels. Official. Nag-dinner na ba kayo? Tanong ni Ali. Opo, busog na ako. Thank you for the rose. Ang puti ko.
Bata ko eh. Sila Jeffrey ka mo, hindi mo swimming, sila Jeffrey ka rin, lahat ko rin sila. Saan na bumati sa akin ang kamagata ko?
I'm glad that you liked it, Kylie. It was consensual. Anong ulam?
Oh my gosh! Hi! Thank you, Trid.
It's dinner time.
Hindi na time. Hindi na raw oras.
Yeah. What are you guys gonna eat?
Dinner pala. I ate na. I had early dinner.
Bakit? Hindi, yung sasakyan, doon ako pupunta na.
Nandun naman sa labas.
Brown pa rin yung work.
Kunin ko na.
Wala.
Sasakyan na ako. Sasakyan muna ako. Aray ko, pumutik pa ako man. Saan na to? Saan nga? Ay, doon lang talaga siya laharap? Hindi pa, babalik ako. Ha?
I need you to choose.
Tour.
Ayan.
Nag-live tayo sa loob
Alam ko
ng
namatay na siya.
1%.
Go big run! Tadadadadadadad. Natakbo siya, Bio. Takbo siya.
Pwede po. Yung car po. Ay, ano ba? Kung mabilis na po, mag-charge lang ako. Thank you. Ay, sorry.
Hi, galing sa'yo.
Yay! 1%.
Thank you. Yes. Nasa kwarto ko yun. Salamat. Ayan, umabot si Clay.
Bawal daw ata mag-live sa loob ng car.
Hindi naman mahal. Pwede pa kita. So, ganito lang.
Ayan.
Ay. Namatay.
Dalawa na sila naka-live po. Naka-pause.
Ed, umabot.
Ayan. Umabot siya. Umabot siya.
AJ.
Congratulations.
Thank you, music mo.
Yes. Nahininig niyo ba?
Masabog naman ng background music mo, be.
You haven't changed your heart.
May mga gusto ba kayong sabihin bago tayo mag-concert? And dahil anniversary natin today, bagong anniversary,
Sila or tayo?
tayo. Kayo.
Gusto ko lang sabihin na it has been like yesterday I was scrolling through my iPad, my tablet, and I saw, because I use that as like a hard drive, and I saw like some of our videos, and it's just nice to see how much we've grown, like really into adulthood, and also like professionally, creatively, and can't wait in the future pa to look back on things like this, our first concert when we've had multiple albums, and look back on days like this and think, ay grabe, taray naman nila. No, but congrats guys, love you guys, and to all of our bullets. Thank you guys, you are the reason why we keep pushing and we continue to push sa Palaban era, sa musika era, sa lahat ng mga eras namin. Kayo talaga yun. And I thank you. Ikaw,
Sino?
Next.
Kuya.
Ha? Ako ba?
Yes.
Ako like the question eh.
Yeah, ikaw.
Ah. Hmm. Paano ba? Di ko alam. I'm just so grateful for those na totoong naniniwala sa craft namin and sa advocacies namin, and we're just so grateful for every bullet na naniniwala ever since hanggang ngayon, and for fighting. Yes. Ayoko, maiyak ako ngayon eh. Yun na muna. Naiyak na ako kanina pa eh. Pero thank you guys. Sana wag niyo isipin na hindi namin nararamdaman yung pagmamahal niyo, kasi ramdam namin yun. Promise. Siyempre, may mga times lang na pero wag niyo isipin na hindi namin napapahalagahan
O huwag niyo isipin na di namin nakikita at nararamdaman yung totoo niyong pagmamahal. Kasi ramdam talaga namin yun. As in, sobra. Promise. Ayoko. Go, Alpea. Take it away.
Block it.
So, si AJ po kasi naging emotional. Tapos si Jasmine, I really agree with her. Ayun po, thank you. Joke lang. Ano yung tanong ko?
Like any sentiments.
Oo nga pala. Actually, hindi pa rin ako. Actually, piling ko kaming tatlo. Makapaniwala na magkakaroon na kami ng solo concert. And to think na sa New Frontier siya, gaganapin. It's actually, para sa amin, it's a big, place para pag-performan. So, grabe yung kaba namin. Grabe rin yung mga self-doubt namin, pero at the same time, grabe rin yung tiwala namin sa inyong lahat. So, kahit anong mangyari, ginagawa namin to para sa inyo guys, and para na rin sa mga goals and happiness namin sa buhay. So, thank you so much kasi nagiging part kayo guys ng happiness namin sa life. Naging part kayo ng inspiration namin. So, para sa inyo to. We love you guys! Also, bago ang lahat, yung isa nakapost ng live, yung isa umiiyak. Gustong-gusto namin pasalamatan yung magiging director po namin dito sa concert namin na ito, si Direk John Prats. Hi guys, ako na lang muna. Si Direk John Prats, kasi siya lang, nakakapag-meeting na kami with him. Meeting with Direk John Prats team, meeting with 1032 Lab, meeting with mga taga-CS, and also kami, very hands-on kami sa magiging concert na to. Kasi gusto namin ibigay sa inyo yung pinakakaya namin, pinakakaya and pinaka-best na makakaya namin na concert. So, we're very hands-on and we're thankful kay Direk John Prats din kasi nagigets niya yung vision namin for this concert. Nagigets niya yung puso namin. Nagigets niya yung puso namin, nagigets niya yung gusto naming mensahe for the bullets.
Yes. That was beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you sa lahat ng team namin behind this. And also, thank you, girls.
Love you.
Sorry. Oh my gosh. What?
From Valentine's Day to anniversary. Oh my God, ano to? Ano to? Ano tayo?
Alam natin.
Oh my goodness. You like Pino?
Uy, ano ba? Huwag mong ipahalata. Shh. Sorry.
Hi. So yun, now me and Alfea will sing.
Ikaw lang.
Ayun lang, guys. We just are really thankful for everything and everyone we've come across. We still have so far to go, but you know, we really want you to be a part of our first concert. We're really gonna give our best and perfect kasi we wanted to do a concert, like we didn't want to do a concert until we had an album and finish talaga namin yung album. Kaya stream nyo yan, guys, para alam nyo yung lyrics pag na-concert na.
Actually, yung album, bago yan maging album, EP muna yung ano, diba? Yung plan. EP lang.
Finish talaga namin.
Parang, tas kasama na dun guys yung Filipina Queen tsaka Palaban. So, parang, so pinush talaga namin yung songs namin.
Ano yung finish? Oh.
O, pinush talaga namin yung mga songs. Ito, nakapagsulat ng Groove On, ng First, nakapagsulat ng, ang dami. Super Saiyan, Until When,
Filipina Queen.
Filipina Queen. So, gusto talaga namin na maraming
Oh.
mabigay. Para marami rin kayong pag-aaralan bago mag-concert.
Isang Google Drive yun. Like, songs ni Alfea, songs ni AJ, songs ko. Nasa Google Drive lahat. Parang dinump namin lahat. Like, pili na lang kayo, guys. Which one do you like?
Oo.
Buti na lang supportive.
Ano, pili-pili lang. Buti naman din po sa amin si CS.
Shout out
Thank you so
to
much.
man
Thank you so much.
for your love. And also, of course, they're part of our journey. Sila nagbuo sa amin. So, we wouldn't have found each other if it wasn't for you. So, thank you, Cornerstone.
Yeah.
And the director of our concert is who?
Sinabi ko na kanina, Direct Chan France.
Ay, sabi mo kanina. Sorry na.
Kasi nakapost ka, oo, gets. Nakapost ka kanina. Nasabi ko na rin na yung mga meeting natin with Direct John Prats, yung 10:32, and also yung very hands-on tayo
Yes.
sa concert. Kasi gusto natin nga ipakita sa kanila kung sino talaga tayo. Charing.
I have my family.
Wala. So, kung ikaw nga at ako. Pero, ako sasabihin ko lang akin, grabe pa rin yung kaba ko sa concert. Hindi pa rin siya nagsisink in sa akin. Like, what? May solo concert tayo? Kasi sanay ako na, yes, nagko-concert kami, but with other big artists. Parang, hindi ako sanay na yung para sa amin talaga na concert. So, hindi pa rin siya nagsisink in.
And we've accomplished a lot of large stages and venues dahil sa mga brands and fans na titiwala sa amin. So we got to taste, that and like the stages. So thank you so much, first and foremost, for believing in us before we even had our solo concert. For sure, you guys are gonna be there, mga ninangs.
Ilist natin lahat.
Yes. All right, number one.
Ninang na nagtiwala sa atin nung naging 3 tayo.
Ninang Acer. Love you, Ninang.
Thank you so much, Ninang Acer, for believing in us. And talagang dinadala niyo rin kami kung saan-saan. Kasi grabe yung tiwala niyo sa amin.
Ninang Acer pure as well because
Tama na po natin kahit pa paano si Predator fam.
until the end of my life, I will be using Acer.
Mga ano din. Sino ba second after ni Acer?
In order,
Yeah?
Ninang Pauline? No.
Sorry po.
Ninang Bench? No, Ninang...
Kaya yata.
I don't know the order. Wait.
Wait lang, nasa highlights ko lang to.
Ninang Maybelline ata.
Ninang Maybelline nga yata, oh.
Ninang Maybelline! Dream ko talaga yun. Oh my
Ninang
God.
Pure Gold muna!
Virgo!
Ninang Pure Gold! Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Fairy Gold Mother. Aming Fairy Gold Mother. Maraming salamat
Kat.
po. Talaga sprinklean nyo kami ng inyong blessings sa buhay. Isa rin kayo sa nagtiwala sa amin.
That's true. And if I may not be mistaken, I think our next fairy in our life, we call them fairies as well because they're like magic. They give us so much inspiration. It feels like magic. I think that's Maybelline.
Yeah, si Fairy Glam Mother.
Yes!
Our
So
Fairy
that
Glam Mother.
was galam on our day.
Yes, thank you so much, Fairy Glam Mother. Maybelline, mahal na mahal namin kayo. You keep us...
And then we have the G in G22 is...
Gcash.
Thank you so much. You definitely...
Speaking of Gcash, makikita nyo kami guys sa Gcash run. Nasa schedule na namin yan, scheduler. So, kung gusto nyong tumakbo, magpaka-healthy, and makita kami, and also, malay nyo may something na pa-surprise si Ninang Gcash, tara na po sa Gcash run.
I'll take it away. If you want to join the Gcash run, just go to the Cash G app, and then click G Forest, and you can sign up so that we can run and be healthy.
So, ang next natin is si Ninong Bench.
Yes.
Tito Bench.
Hot girls do it well. Yes, we love all of our brands so far that we've mentioned. They've really given us a lot of inspiration, a lot of coverage. So thank you so much. And then after bench, we have
Kaya mag-extra muna kay Tito Bench kasi ang dami kong friends na and also mga taga-ibang lugar na nakikita tayo because of Tito Bench.
gets
Thank you so much din po sa pagtitiwala niyo sa amin na kami yung ilalagay niyo sa harap ng store niyo.
yes.
That was first time yun para sa amin na makita namin halos sa lahat ng malls yung sarili namin.
College.
And grabe po yung tiwala niyo. Thank you so much. And also, malapit na yung Bench Fashion Week nila.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Manood kayo, guys.
Okay, yeah.
And meron,
And next, for our glamorous hair, we have Cream Silk.
thank you po. Grabe. Yung nabubuhay, nakakapit yung buhok po namin dahil sa inyo, Ninang Cream Silk.
Tama. At they have like
Mother, yeah.
types of products for all types of hair. Like AJ, she has brown hair, bleached hair. We have like thinning hair. There's like so many different things. So thank you for getting us Cream Silk, believing in us. That campaign with all the queens was just like so inspiring. Not only for us, I think also our followers, don't you think?
Yeah. It also felt so empowering. So, sana ganun din yung
Mother.
na-feel ng mga nakakita and also yung mga kasama natin. Like,
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
to be with the queen.